The Manage Bank Statement Reprocessing Rules app allows you to automate the reprocessing of bank statements that could not be automatically posted to a GL account. You can use this app to simplify your work in several ways. You can use it to create individual reprocessing rules to perform GL account postings, to create your own reprocessing rules to select bank statement items in the GL accounts that they should be posted to select all bank statement items within the Reprocess Bank Statements app that meet your reprocessing rule, and to apply your rule either to selected or to all bank statement items to post them to the selected GL account. Today, I'm going to reprocess some bank statement items that couldn't be posted automatically. I need to use the Reprocess Bank Statement Items app to post them manually, so I open the app, enter the company code and the bank statement, and then I select Go. There. The system shows me the bank statement items that remain open and that could not be posted automatically. There are several open items, and manual reprocessing is something that I have to do regularly, so I want to make this easier. I can do that by creating a bank statement reprocessing rule for open deposit fee items. First, I open one of the bank statement items that I have to manually reprocess. I select Post to GL Account, then select Add Line Item. I enter the GL account and the amount that I want to post, then I select Post. And in the dialog box that appears, I select Create Rule. In the Reprocessing Rule window, I give my new rule a name and then decide which preset conditions I want the system to apply when executing my rule. And of course, I delete the conditions that I don't want applied to my rule. Then I adjust the memo text next to deposit fees. There, my new rule will automatically be applied to bank statement items that have deposit fee in the memo line. When I'm finished with my definition, I save the new rule. Then I select the open bank statement items to which I want to apply the rule. I select Apply Rule, and in the window I search for the rule I just created and select Apply Rule again. In the dialog box, I select Accept. Once the system finishes processing based on my new rule, I want to check to make sure that it's being applied correctly. So I open one of the reprocessing screens of one of the deposit fee bank statement items. I select the second document, then select Manage Journal Entries to see the item in more detail. And here I can see that the correct GL account and the correct amount have been correctly posted automatically by the system following my new bank statement reprocessing rule. From now on, posting deposit fees will be a lot easier for me. Why don't you see how using the Manage Bank Statement Reprocessing Rules app can make your work easier, too?